Come on, Tux, let's go. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Good boy. Oh, here's some. Oh, there's a Marty. Don's inside reading his paper on the tablet. Saturday morning. No real newspaper. Hi, Morris. Feels nice out here. It's in the 70s. It's not bad at all. We've still got butterflies floating about and hummingbirds going to flowers for nectar, but the leaves are really starting to come down now. And I am so looking forward to leaf season and blowing leaves. Not, but it comes with the cooler temps, so it's just what you do. These guys got all new blankies yesterday. It won't be towels. It won't be too long until I'm turning on the heating pads, which are ready to go. Well, we're on our way to walk at the Fuquay Greenway Trail, our normal weekend alternate destination, and no software update yet for Jules or Ruby. Maybe tonight. Usually when it comes out on the weekend, it tends to come out on Saturday night, so there's hope. But we would prefer it to come out on Friday night so we could drive around with it on Saturday. I'm not going to lose you in the woods today. Yeah. I actually really like the shirt and the shorts you have on that outfit. Yeah. So Don read his paper on his, well, actually his Chromebook folded over today versus
tablet mode
versus the tablet that he keeps in the bedroom, so he reads these heavy duty Kindle books that have diagrams in them. Yeah. And if he looks at them on his paper white, the diagrams don't look very good. The paper white is great for your romance novel at the swimming pool, but for Don and his heavy duty textbook stuff that dirty stuff that he reads,
it does do well.
It doesn't work. So he's reading on some sort of a...
It's a Chromebook tablet, but it's a real tablet, but it is actually a Chromebook.
Yeah, I don't remember. It's been a year or more since you got that. Not what the detail. We talked about it at the time, but at any point, yeah, and I tried to look up the cell tower, what's going on with that cell tower by South Park, and I couldn't get any information online that was readily available to, non-industry people like me. Well, when we went by just now, the crane was back up there like they are working on it today still. And one of the things on Don's list is to put the T-Mobile 5G the device, back in the attic because it's currently in the master bedroom closet with the other technology. And when they finish up there, it might be worth seeing what's coming out of that tower as far as where is our best signal, because we're pointing to one that's a few more miles away than that. And if that one were really upgraded, that would probably help us out a lot. So, but not today, right? Because the tower's not, the weather's good enough for Don to go in the attic. It would be a great day to do it, but since they're still not done with the tower, it seems prudent to wait until they finish doing whatever they're doing over there.
Yeah, it's hard to judge when they, what they're doing when they're going to switch it on. Just because the crane disappears doesn't mean they're actually using the new stuff, although I would say it would be pretty quick.
Yeah. But mostly while the crane's there, we can rest assured they probably aren't done.
Right.
So why waste Don's time going up there to try to resituate it? And, he'd have to move it and then go back up there and play with it some more. So us dedicated people, it started raining on us. Well, we kind of knew by 2 p.m. it was supposed to be raining pretty good. And I think it's around 12:30, 12:45 now. So they're a little early. A little late with their forecast, a little early with the rain, something like that. Hopefully it just won't flat out pour. This is fine.
I don't think it's going to do anything.
This is fine. We just don't flat out pour. Well, I predict we don't run into too many people on the trail today. There was one car in the parking lot. That was it. Well, you're right about already being able to see more into the woods.
Yeah, it's amazing how just that first 10% of leaves kind of like
changes things.
Changes stuff, yeah.
Yeah. We saw one dad with his two small children, 6, 7-year-olds, on their scooters. He was trying to walk to keep up with them. I would say that was a good exercise plan for him.
Yeah, well, plus they were scooting along pretty good.
They were. So before we left for our walk, my blood sugar was 96.
Went down 10 points.
Right, from 106 when Dawn took it first thing this morning. And I know you guys that know about it are going, well, 106 is basically inching toward pre-diabetic, but not when you're a keto person. It can be higher first thing in the morning for keto people and then drop into the 80s a lot during the day. So all I was going to say mostly was the last 2 or 3 times we fasted, I might have felt a little low energy, but between yesterday afternoon going crazy attacking chores and then really out here today, I feel like I just ate pasta. I mean, I feel that good. I feel normal energy, good energy. So I'm pleased about that. Pleased about that today. Yeah, Don's was 94 first thing, which is low for him because normally he's always higher than me.
I didn't know, it went to 101.
And then it went, after he had his coffee, it actually went up for him. Some people, coffee can make it go up. I think mine went down from the first time to the second time because that morning, that dawn effect first thing in the morning had gone away, and right, I exercised feeding the kitties out and about walking. I did a few extra chores because it was Saturday and I had time, and then I was sitting down resting for like 30 minutes before he took it. So I still haven't decided if we're stopping and eating dinner tonight or going into tomorrow. I think we're going to go into tomorrow, but I reserve the right to change my mind. I am a little hungry now. Not a lot hungry, but a little hungry. Milo's sound asleep under the shrub today. That's good to see. Got to check on my buddy. Make it official. Halfway, turn around, yay. This gentleman over here has a pink bowl with some stuff for the ducks, so we're going to see a mass migration in his direction, I think. Somebody sounded the alarm, and well, he's got what he's supposed to have. He's got cornmeal, a cracked meal, not bread. So that's good. They are all a-coming. Don't miss out, guys. Oh, those big Muscovy ducks do fly when given a reason. Cracked corn. Yeah, much preferred over bread. So we haven't ended up getting rained on. That's good. The times the breeze has kicked up, it's felt nice. The times where there's not been a lot of breeze, it's felt pretty humid. So right now we'd like more breeze. It's very still. We're on the home stretch here. For mid-size SUVs, a Nissan behind Dawn, a Subaru, a Mazda, and of course Jules. Well, the Sheetz is open. It's not excessively crowded right now, and $3.15 a gallon, unleaded 87. Unleaded 88 is $2.85. I think that's the ethanol gas.
Yes.
So gas is now almost under $3 a gallon here. $3.15. Well, under 3 if you want if you'll take the ethanol stuff. So yeah.
It's kind of funny that the ethanol would be that much cheaper.
Don's gonna go in. I'm staying in the car because if I smell the frappuccinos and the other food in there, that just won't be good right now. Besides, it's not like I can go in with my camera and really film everything I'd want to show you, so Don's gonna sneak a video with his phone.
Well, I gotta tell you, it looks very similar. I don't see, for them to actually have took the building down, it's like, oh, this is kind of strange. Wow. Well, pretty much blew quite a bit of the building away.
You smell like sugar.
Yeah,
or
well, it was...
either it's on your clothing because they're cooking and doing stuff in there, or just opening the door and let some fumes from the cooking come in the car, one of the two. But let me tell you, I noticed it.
Bubblegummy smell.
Yeah, it's weird. It's definitely a fake food smell.
Yeah.
Don made the video, but he was telling me, it's like, I'd be darn kidding if I could figure out what's so special about it or why they bothered to do that. I think you and the rest of the people in Fuquay who were mad it was closed for not much improvement.
Well, those 2 tables they've put outside, or 3 tables, I don't know which way. I'll have to look and see what the way the sun flows is, but God, it's like you're gonna bake out there in the sun.
Yeah, it faces southwest.
Yeah.
Those tables are not north or east, I don't think.
Maybe in the wintertime,
maybe east a little bit.
It might be nice, but
yeah.
I don't know.
So they do have some new Hot Wheels today, and I got a Hummer EV and a Nissan Leaf Nismo RC_02. Says Nissan Intelligent Mobility on the side of it. They still don't have everything set. It's like as soon as they put anything out, people buy it, and then there's nothing left. There's a Leaf. I'm at Walmart. I got what I went in for, which was a chicken. Midnight, aka Big Boy. He was not too happy this morning that I had a little bit of chicken left for him, but none of the juices. He really likes the Jello, the good stuff from the bones, the collagen, and he likes the juices. So I got the chicken, I got some kitty litter, I got the electric GMC Hummer, and I also picked up a small Lego set, 007's Aston Martin. It's only 298 pieces or something, but I was feeling in the mood to do something to represent the sadness I'm feeling over the Queen's death. Although we all should be so lucky to be in such good condition until we're 96. I'm gonna mow the grass, it needs it. There is some rain moving up from the south. We'll see if I get done or not. I finished, but it did start raining halfway through. No thunder or lightning. Greg said yesterday, our weather guy, there's not gonna be any thunder or lightning today, just showers. And I didn't hear any or see any. But a nice steady rain, yeah. See, all done. I won't be blowing the driveway again right now though. I took my feet and my hands and everything over to the hose and rinsed myself off, because of course I'm gonna go in and get in the shower. Which is one of the reasons I decided to mow, because we'd already been for our walk. But you can see all the leaves are gone, the grass is shorter. I love how the rain's gonna make the grass grow though. But it's all good. Yep, just a nice steady rain. I'm out of the shower and it's still coming down. So I think this is gonna end up equating to close to a ½ inch. We'll see. Not less than that. Don took me out for a drive so I could catch some shiny Clefairies. It's Pokemon. I got one, although I played on both accounts. It was kind of a low spawn rate for shinies. Yeah. It's a special event on a Saturday night. It's weird. But anyway, it's raining. See? Rain. Yeah. And Don's said he was going to clean the front of Jules off. Since the rain got, the bugs. Since the rain got all the...
soft.
Everything's all nice and...
well, more or less soft.
Right.